Hello guys, good day and welcome to another monthly catch up section 14. So this month we have a lot of work to do. We have few lunch bag to make, we have backpack to make, we've make cap that you are going to watch very soon. Then the bag we're supposed to send, we'll be sending it this week again. I think those are the work we have planned for this month, but we are starting with few this week, which is the cap, which we've started already, but later on you guys will see it. So as I was saying, presently we are working on the launch bag. As you guys can see, it's there. So we'll be working on the launch bag and the backpack as well. So that's just what we'll start with. Then later on keep you guys. I think when we need to do monogram for the backpack, name of the purpose that owns the bag on it. So if I'm able, I don't know yet, finger crossed, if I'm able to do it, when I get there I will try to film the process a little bit so that you guys learn from there as well. Or if I can't, I'm not promising you guys. It should not be as if maybe I used to promise and then I don't fulfill what I say to you guys. So for those of you who have not subscribed, use this time to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think of this video and any way we can teach you guys to learn more. And for those of you who are also interested in online bag training, it is pretty much available. Link will be in the description for the store where you can apply to some of the training. And if you want like pre-made, or if you want okay, not pre-made, those one you can apply for on the store are pre-made. If you want custom made, you can chat with me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in this my WhatsApp will be linked in the description, so you can chat with me directly for more information. So guys, I love seeing your face. Or can I even see your face? Nah, I love seeing your comments or and maybe your profile pics. So guys, thank you guys for the support, for the love and support, and for being here, for the motivation. For those of you who give us word of encouragement, I do appreciate you guys. So enough showing you guys my face. I will continue with the rest of my work now. Probably maybe not today again, as you guys can see the way I'm dressed. Swagger along all that. I will, yeah, so I might not do anything today again, but I'll continue. Once I continue, I'll keep you guys updated. So thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you at the continuation of the monthly catch-up. Bye for now. So guys, these are the cap we make a few days ago. Actually, we've not delivered it yet. The client is, we are still contemplating on how she's going to collect it, but it's just 3 cap. So we've not actually done the introduction as well, but very soon we'll be doing the introduction. And this one, I think I talked about taking the black one to the clients last monthly catch up, then returning this one. And this is what they complain. If you guys can remember, this is what they complain, and it's nothing. I told them that this is nothing. It's just the way the fabric we use is foamy. But when you fill this with your stuff, you see, when you fill it with your stuff, it's not showing that wrinkle that much, and it's because it's new. Once you start using it now, it's going to go off. So I'll keep you guys updated whichever way it's going. But the lunchbox, I've started the preparation for the lunchbox. I said we'll be making this month. As you guys can see, this is the lunchbox here, and we'll start the preparation. So I will keep you guys updated as it's going, so you can learn from here as well. So guys, let me continue with the rest of the things. I'm going out because today is Friday. I have to go to the mosque, so we will continue when I come back, or hopefully by the weekend. See you guys later. So guys, here's the update so far. We haven't sent this bag still. So this is the first launch box. I was unable to do it on camera since this is the first design. As you can see, it has a black mesh at the front, then with the warmer inside and an ashoke line at the top. So the rest we are making for this gold and this purple. But initially this is supposed to be yellow, but there's no yellow, that yellow material like that. But I would say this is gold and we can also call it yellow. So that is what we're working on probably. So but I think I'll be making a video the making for this particular one, so that you guys can learn a little bit how we make it. And if I can film the what is it called, the time lapse as well, you will learn from there. But for today, I'm done for today. We are not working again, it's already late. By tomorrow or within the week, I will continue with this, so you guys will learn and see whatever we are doing. So this is one of the mesh here, the mesh and some of the accessories I'll be needing to finish up the bag. And that is the taping. The zip is also there. We are using size 7 zip. So that's just the update so far, guys. Enough talking. I'm even tired, my throat is dry. So I will see you at the continuation. Whichever way it goes, I'll keep you guys updated. So thank you guys for being here. For those of you who have not subscribed, use this time to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and if you are interested in the online training, the link will be in the description to the store. You can apply from there, or if you want more information on it, or if you want a customized class, you can chat with me and that will be made for you. So guys, enough talking. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you at the continuation of the making of the monthly catch up. So guys, see you guys later. So guys, talking about what I did yesterday, I've started this one, I've continued with it. You see the pink one. As you guys can see, work have gone far. We fixed the zip to the cover parts and the should I say reflector or the warmer inside. This is the warmer for the other parts. We fix it as well, and this is, we fix all the undo, the adjuster, everything. It's just for me now to couple this, fix the bottom and finish everything off. So I will continue whichever way it goes and keep you guys updated as it's going. That's the one we made a few days ago, so we probably should finish this today. So I will try my best to film time lapse so that you learn a little bit from this. So it's also available. If you want to get this, we can supply you anytime. Enough talking, let me continue with my work. So guys, as you have seen, I've finished this one. At least you've learned a little bit of something from the time lapse. The bag is looking at, but one thing I forgot is I did not put the bag fit here. Meanwhile, the first one I made, I actually put a bag fit. So hopefully the clients will not complain that there's no bag fit. I don't know. When she checks, she might find out. So well, maybe once I get it, when I deliver it, I will raise the concern that okay, one of it has a back fit, while the other one does not have. But I think the last one we're going to make now, will make sure to bring the back fit here. That's why when I want to work, I always bring around the accessories I'm going to use close to me, so that I will not leave anything behind. So this one has happened, it has happened. There's nothing I can do because I can't use this to fix the back fit to it again. So the next thing I'm going to do now, the next one we're making, which is that gold, I will make sure to keep the back fit here to make sure everything work intact. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I will continue the rest of the activities and hopefully you guys will learn from here. So thank you guys, and I will see you at the continuation later on. So guys, we are done with this one. As you can see, it's looking nice. I also make the making for this one a video on how to make this one. As you can see, the inside is very nice, a very good warmer for that matter. As you can see, it's very nice. And this one we'll call it the gold or yellow. Then we have the purple there, then we have the green. Those are the two, and this is the third one. It's mixture of ashoki at the top. So what we have left to make now is the backpack. So I will try my best to show you the process of the embroidery if I can, but if I can, that will be next time. But I will try my best to just show you brief of the backpack, then every other thing that comes up before or after that. So guys, I hope you guys have also enjoyed this. I know you have watched the time lapse when I was trying to assemble this purple one, and from there you guys would have learned a little bit of the making. So enough talking. I don't want the video to be too long of me talking. Instead, for you guys to learn something from what I'm doing, like a time lapse or anything I need to talk about that is of importance to you guys. So enough talking. See you guys at the other side. So guys, this is the continuation of the monthly catch-up. As you can see, we've started work making this particular backpack I told you guys already. So I promise you guys that when I go to the monogram machine, I will show you, but there's no time, I even forgot. But these are all the work we have there. As you can see, a project we are about to embark on. This one has been there for a very long time. I just went back to collect it. This ones. So we'll be expecting some projects on this, but not on this month. I don't know if it's going to be next month or when exactly, but we are going to work on it pretty very soon. So this is this one. I promise to show you guys. As you can see, this is Jadan, the green one. Then we have the purple, Jasper. Then we have the yellow one, which is Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. So this is it for you guys. Right now, I'm going to start working with this purple. Then probably whichever way it goes, I have to work on one and see if all my scaling and measurements are right. Once it's right, then we'll proceed with the rest. If there's no right, if there's any adjustments, then I will also make the adjustment before I proceed. But right now, I just say let me update you guys, so you guys will be aware and we'll carry along as we proceed with the rest of the activities. So these are few here. I was unable to do the time lapse. I would have shown you everything, but I will try my best as well to do the time lapse a little bit and show you how the process goes. So guys, keep watching, stay tuned, and you will see the outcome of this particular bag. So guys, these are the one we are currently working on, the green one and the orange and the yellow one. We'll call this yellow, but it's not yellow. So we are done with the purple one. As you can see, this is how it looks. It has double zip, one zip on the side, one zip on the other side, and this is how the back looks. Right now I'm going to continue with this one and see if we can finish everything. I was supposed to finish everything today, but I've not been feeling too well, so I have to rest. I take my rest a little bit, but now I have to continue back and see what we can achieve today, because it's already getting late. It's just 2 hours or to like 3 hours before the night will fall, so I just have to see what I can do. So that's just it, guys. I will keep you guys updated whichever way it goes, and we shall see what we can do. Thank you guys for being here. So guys, welcome back. We are done with the bag. As you can see, this is the yellow, that's the green, that's the pink, the pink there. So everything is ready. The content is too long, so reason why we didn't show you much of making it. But if you stay tuned, we have a dedicated video to how we make the lunchbox, a dedicated video to also how we make the backpack. So from there you should be able to learn a lot. So guys, we really appreciate you for being here, for watching. For those of you who subscribe, who like, who also always ask questions, we really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And for those of you who are interested in online training, it is pretty much available. WhatsApp will be in the link. WhatsApp will be in the link in the description to chat with us, and also the link to the store will also be in the description. From there you can apply for whatever you want. So guys, thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next one.